I mean, you would see people, you'd get exercise and workouts, and you just have a fun time. So anyway, we're gonna go right up to there. There's kind of a natural marker, so we're gonna go up to that point, and then we will we'll take a pause. And again, we're still in the kind of the north part of Uptown over here in this area. There's also lights. I don't know if you see that, but there's lights on the trail. So at night you can run on the trail. I don't know if there's any cutoff point, but you can definitely run at night is my point. I want you to see that too, because right over there is the Katy Trail 5K. It happens to be every year, and it's really a blast to do it. It's only 5K, so that would be a great way to make friends. You typically can, you can get on teams, or I guess just do it yourself, but talk about a way to meet 5,000 to 10,000 people all in a fun, really light way. So definitely encourage you to check out the trail and take the 5K Katy Trail. It's a great way to meet people. All right, this entrance is called Snyder's Union. So there's the West Village entrance, and then there's entrances like this called Snyder's Union. So Snyder's Union, it's just a name for an entrance to the trail. But I like how it has a little bit of flair here and a little bit of flavor. So it's just a good gathering place. So very, very, very cool. I'm hearing some great music down there. I want to go check that out, whatever that is. Sounds awesome. Okay, if you go right over there, you're gonna get on Carlisle, and it's opposite of McKinney, and so that is great. There's places that you can live that are near there that you could hit this. This is a public entrance. It's pretty easy to get onto, so I recommend especially these kind of entrances that are easy. Okay, so you can see there's just no shortage of people. Look at this. I mean, I could just keep walking and walking. So I'm gonna go back, and I don't know, let's just see what else is here. It's just kind of fun. Don't you think it's fun? This time we're gonna go on the rubber. So I'm gonna go on that red rubber. I think it's better for running. It's going to be smoother, and just experience it. So experience it with me. The temperature right now, probably about 85 or so. It's a tad hot, but not really. It'd be really, really great weather to run, at least for me. I like running, I like walking, and obviously a lot of people do. So I did mention about social scene. Oh, I want you to see this. So this is, that's gonna be right over there is pretty much the end of the West Village. So it's kind of getting your bearings. We're right by the West Village, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, I'm back on the regular part. I just wanted to experience that just a little bit, but I'm back on the regular part. And isn't that trail fun? I mean, can you picture yourself on this? speed limit 10 for bikes. Somehow I don't think people stick to that. I think people are not going to stick to that much. I don't know if you noticed, but one thing too, there's no motorized vehicles here. I don't think they're allowed. So you can't scoot on the trail. You gotta have a bike or walk or skates. But no scooter bike or no moped. Now, I'm not single, so, but if I was single, this would be a cool place to meet other singles. I like it because it'd be just very non-threatening, very just chill and fun, and I think it'd be so cool. I'd probably get a dog. I do have a dog, but I'd have a dog, you know, down here, and just enjoy that. So, just a great way to meet people.